Question number 32. 3/7 of a number is 24. Find the number. A, 42. B, 48. C, 56. D, 63. Okay, 3/7 of a number. So, meron siyang 3/7 over 3/7. X is a presence, equal sign, and then 24. Okay? So, ito po siya. Ayan. So, 3/7 x equals 24. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito para matanggal itong 7, isolate natin, multiply both sides by 7. Okay? Multiply both sides of the equation by 7/3 to isolate x. Okay? So, 7/3, 7/3. And then, that is equal to, pag pinag-multiply natin, x now is equal to 7 times 4 divided by 3. That is equal to 168/3. Then, itong 168, divide lang natin. X now is equal to 56. And that is equal to 56. C is the correct answer here. Okay?